This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lottie and we are heading off to Disney World again. This is our second once-in-a-lifetime trip and I am absolutely buzzing that we get to spend our time there again. I cannot wait. I thought I'd show you some of the really cool stuff that I picked up from Shein for a fraction of the price that you would find somewhere else. If that helps you, please help by liking and subscribing down below. Any support whatsoever, even a comment, really helps grow my channel and spreads it out a little bit more so more people can find it, so that would be amazing if you could do that. So starting with the ears, as you can see I am supporting some right now. Super cheap and actually quite good quality. These are the ones that I'm going to be wearing for Animal Kingdom. Absolutely love the leopard print. I've then got a little Winnie the Pooh ear set to go with my Winnie the Pooh top and Ella's new favourite, Chip and Dale, although it's actually Chip and Chip because one of them's supposed to have a red nose and he doesn't, but they're still really cute. Compared to some of the prices of the things that you can get in the park, these are your best bet if you're just planning a one trip. Everything that we had on our last trip is also coming with us, so I've got loads of princess ears, Toy Story ears, alien ears, and like anything that you can think of, Stitch, blah blah blah. Anyway, they are all coming with us, but they were all off like these websites like Shein and AliExpress. I've also got my video that I'll link up here from the last time, so you can also see the prices of some of those things. But yeah, I can't afford a £30 pair of ears. I would love them, they are gorgeous, but £2 budget. I've got to do the budget. Picked up this really cute set, so it's like a makeup bag and a pencil case, but I'm not using it for a pencil case. This is going to be for my accessories. It's actually a really good size and it's nice and soft, and I was thinking of putting this as my either makeup bag or something in my hand luggage to separate things. I don't know yet, I haven't decided, but I absolutely love the design on it, so I just had to pick it up. It kind of reminds me of Pop Century. How cute is that? I've got a lot of items that are going to help us with weather, so let's go through that first. These are our rain jackets that we wore in our last series. I will also insert a link up there. These are super cheap compared to some of the websites that you can get them on. I'm pretty sure they were like £2 and under. This time I've actually picked up at Ella a kid size one. The adult fit fine, I just had to cut the sleeves off of it. So this time it's already pre-sized for her. I've already tried it before I had to send it back because I wanted to make sure first. Ash and Miles have got white, and then me and Ella have got pink this time. The next problem we're going to run into is heat. So I have picked up our cooling towels. These are the exact same ones I bought last year. They're really good because they're resealable. So we can use the ice water around the resort, not ice water, the ice around the resort, pop it in there, and this normally lasts till about lunchtime. You can then go to quick service places and ask for a cup of ice and pour them in as well. And all you do is put your towel in with the ice, it starts to melt, and then you whack your towel and it makes it ice cold to go on your face or on your shoulders or use it all over your body. But they're really handy as well because you can also put them in the washing machine, so you can keep them a bit more hygienic than just having them a one and done sort of thing. Same problem, heat. I have picked up these two misting fans. I actually use one for work at the minute, so I know that it's really good. You put water in this container at the bottom and then it spurts out mist here, which also the fan then sprays it onto your face, so it doesn't feel like it's blowing hot air onto you, it's actually cold air. These I thought were really good. Ella lost one in school, so I picked up another one just for her, ready to go, and they're rechargeable, which I can use for my Anchor rechargeable power bank, that's the word I'm thinking of, so I can recharge them throughout the park as well. I didn't buy these this time, these were from our last trip, but I also know that Shein still does neck fans. These are really handy for when you've got your cooling towel on, you can have your neck fan as well, and then it blows the colder air around you rather than that sweaty humidity that nobody really likes. So neck fans, cooling towels, hand fans, you're onto a winner. Then onto the water parks. I have picked up 2 waterproof cases for our phones. These are really good so you don't need to put your phone in a locker or leave it on your bed. It has a lanyard that goes around you as well. These are really, really handy. Something fun for the kids to do, this is a pack of stickers. They absolutely loved distracting other kids last time. So you can be in a line for like 45 minutes to an hour, and that's a long time for some kids. So Ella and Miles like to go around and hand out some stickers to some children that maybe couldn't stand in the line a bit longer than that. And it was just like a little bit of a pixie dust that we could go and help someone else's family. We also hid some around our resort, which was fun, but it wasn't as fun as seeing the children get excited that they're getting a sticker. So we're gonna do it this way this time and actually hand them out to children instead. We are taking a pram again with us. I know it's ridiculous, but my children are 9 and will be 13 at the time, and we are still taking a pram. The thought of walking around for 20,000 steps a day carrying backpacks is a no-no for me. We can still get a pram on a plane for free because we have a child seat with Ella. So until that day, the pram is coming too. To also help with that, because after shows like Fantasmic, it's a sea of prams and you just can't find your own. I have picked up a little 50p packet of lights that can go around the handles or over the hood or something like that. And then I picked up some batteries from the pound shop. And I just think anything to help us find the pram a bit faster is a win in my eyes. So we will give these a go. I've already turned them on and they're pretty bright. And compared to other prams that might be around the area with no lights, we should be able to find the pram a bit faster this time. Going back to the bags, I've picked up 2 other ones. This is a medicine bag that will go in our park bag every single day because you need as much stuff as you can get rather than going out and spending more money when you get over there. So medicines, hay fever tablets, plasters, paracetamol, inhalers, all of it will go in here, and that will stop us having to go and pick some stuff up somewhere else. And a charger bag, which I thought was great for the plane and keeping in the room and things like that. Everything will then be in one area. It is on the small side, so I'm not going to be able to put a laptop charger in there, but definitely phones, cameras, GoPro, everything like that can fit in here. Sticking with the first aid, I have picked up some blister plasters. This is a strange one. I will tell the truth right now. I have already got a refund on these ones. They are very, very plasticky. I don't know if you can see. They just look like a plastic sticker, but like a thick, strong, not really durable plaster. So I've got a refund on them. I don't think they're going to be any good, but I'm taking them anyway. And I've got a normal pack of plasters made for blisters because my feet were so bad last time, going from really, really rainy to really, really hot. My next is my little Remy friend. I saw these around the park, and then when I saw one on Shein, I just had to get it. He is absolutely adorable. He's a shoulder pal, so this goes underneath your top and then he sits on it. But they've put the most cheapest, littlest magnet inside his bum. He actually doesn't sit on the magnet anymore. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to take him around the parks, or maybe I can sew him to the pram somehow. I don't know, but he was really cute and I just had to get him for like £2 compared to like the £30 over there. And then lastly, I think I've gone through everything, is an eye mask for the plane. I also have earplugs for the plane because I'm really bad at trying to drift off. The eye mask that I had last time was super thin, really cheap, and then you could see like down below the mask, it didn't form to your face. So I'm hoping this one might be a bit better because it actually like molds around your eyes and your nose area. So we will see. It's also a bit thicker and squidgier, and I have tested it out and it's quite comfortable to wear. Again, super cheap, but I'm finger crossing that I can have a little bit of a nap on the plane on the way back. So yeah, we are on our countdown now, ready to go, and I am buzzing. you wouldn't believe it. So anyway, I'll see you again soon. Bye guys.